Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket back at SEMA 2018, where I might have had a couple too many rolling rocks. This is not that, though. This is the roll and lock, right, Jason?
That's correct. Perfect.
Tell us all about this, man. This is sweet.
So Roll and Lock manufactures all these retractable tonneau covers, and they're hard tonneau covers. All aluminum. This one has a vinyl cover on top of it. Protects your cargo underneath. But the problem is it limits your cargo. So we came out with this Qwik Rack System that mounts on top of the rack so you can put your cargo up to 350 pounds evenly distributed across this. And it's a really simple, easy add-on to your existing Roll and Lock cover.
I would like to know, by the way, whose truck this belongs to, because they're snowboarding, they're bicycling, they're so much cooler and more fit than I'll ever be.
They're not mine. If they were mine, they would be all scratched up, and it'd be pretty gnarly. These are brand new for show.
Well, that's fine. If they were mine, there'd be a Super Nintendo back there, maybe a Nintendo 64, a big bag of Cheetos, something like that.
Yeah. But these things are sweet. They're durable, all aluminum. They're not going to corrode or rust on you. Easy to install, and the retails are pretty aggressive, $4.99 retail on these things.
Well, that is a great deal, and again, like you said, when you touch this thing, it's very durable. I mean, this could possibly be a very precarious position for your valuables to be in if this product is not durable, but you can feel it. You can, I mean, listen to that. Yeah. That is good quality.
And it slides. It's all adjustable, too, so based on your cargo that you have. You can move it around and do what you need to do to it. So.
Whether it's a roll and lock or a rolling rock, they're going to take care of you very much. SEMA 2018, you can pick this up right here at MidwestAftermarket.com. And when will this be available?
This will be available in January as well.
So January 2019. Roll and lock coming to a truck near you. Yeah. We'll see you next time.